Good medical morning, this is Watson, and today we're going to look at the top pimples and cysts ever seen on YouTube. That's right, no other list like this has ever been assembled. This is the definitive pimple popping compilation, so let's kick it off right about now. With 17 million views, it's this historic navel stone pop. Wow. Special thanks to the Blackhead King. This ingrown hair was posted on two channels with 10 million views and 12 million views respectively on the All-Star Medical and Westside Hospital YouTube channels. Out of respect for the copyright holders, we'll only show short samples and pictures when we can't get the video released for sharing. However, we will put links in the description below. Dr. Gilmore's Paronychia has almost 18 million views. And out of respect for his video, we'll only show you a few still images of the procedure, which is performed by his assistant Gonzo, Lisa Gonzalez. There's a link below for the full video. Oh, and check out Dr. Gilmore's energy supplement, Meta 7. Nice. With 25 million views and 32,000 likes, Dr. Vikram's gold mine of blackheads on nose is one of the most popular pimple popping videos of all time. Although his form isn't perfect, the video quality still holds up almost 9 years after it was originally uploaded. Plus, his macro photography is incredible. Kudos Dr. Vikram. George and Joy originally showcased this double D-pow. Displayed on several channels, it totaled over 25 million views. Let's look at it in its entirety. Huge cyst on back, with almost 40 million views, this enormous cyst may be the most popular cyst video in YouTube history. I don't recommend trying this at home. Don't forget to comment which is your favorite video. I personally like George and Joy's D-pow. The doctors posted this cyst removal video by Dr. Sandra Lee. It currently has over 40 million views. I'll put a link below so you can see the video in its entirety. Here we have Dr. Vikram's black and whiteheads on nose. With over 46 million views, this is one of the first and most popular blackhead removal videos of all time. With those kinds of views and 43,000 likes, this deserves a spot high on the list. And our number one with 82 million views. This blackhead removal clip is the most viewed blackhead removal clip online. Wow for TLC and Dr. Sandra Lee. You outdid yourselves. And again, out of respect for her copyright, we're only showing still images of the video, but we'll put a link in the description below. So comment below, which was your favorite? Hey there, Pimple Popper fans. If there's one thing we learned, it's the importance of good hygiene and that germs, viruses, and bacteria can do real damage. In other words, keep your bacteria-covered hands off your face. That's why I recommend a professional Comedone extractor kit like this. Available from Amazon with Amazon Prime, these exquisite pimple popper tools are made of the highest quality stainless steel, and they come in a handy case. So don't risk getting nasty bacteria and viruses into your delicate pores. Cellulitis, staph, and other dangerous microbes are real and prominent dangers. So pick up a pimple popper kit for each member of your household and show them that you care about their safety. There's an Amazon link in the description below.